Hi guys, good
Hi,
morning. Ayan, mag-harvest.
Good morning.
Yeah, we're going to harvest some, what is it? Squash. See? The squash there.
Okay.
Okay, there.
Wow.
Here, there's a squash here that we need to harvest.
Wow.
See? So we can eat.
Eat why?
So we have something to eat.
Okay.
Yeah, you want to go on that side? And then, going to cut it, okay?
Why?
Oh, wait. Here, can you help me here? Can you do this, please?
Do this.
Oh, you grab your toy with you, eh? But there's another one there.
Wait, there for your pocket.
Okay, it's okay. Saan na yung kalabasa?
In the soup.
Yeah, okay. You just grab it then. It's pokey, but be careful. Okay.
Ow.
Oh, I know. It's not fun, eh? Here, I'm going to use the gunting. Ano si bebe? Gunting. I think it's hard, anak. It's the hardest part of harvesting this kind. It's pumpkin though. Yeah, it's big na, eh?
Yes.
Wow, I think we need help with daddy. Eh?
Daddy, please help.
Yeah, this is so big. I don't know how they harvest here.
Dada!
Woo! Here. Oh boy, this is hard to harvest. Pumpkin. Okay, I think. Oh, the garbage is here. Try. Maybe tweet, eh? Hirap harvestin yung pumpkin na yan. Ang kapal. Makapal, anak. So makapal, baby. Tapos very pokey pa.
Pokey?
Yeah, it's pokey.
Okay.
Oh boy. Yeah. Can you grab me the scissor there, please? Grabe. Ewan ko. Ayan yung isa na ano. Ewan paano mag-harvest dito. I am having trouble harvesting this pumpkin. I think they need a big scissor, not this regular scissor. Well, I think I need help. You go ask daddy to come help me here, anak. Alright. Ayan. But anyway, mag-harvest na lang tayo ng kalabasa. Ayan. Mayroong dalawa dito. Kalabasa. Nag-harvest na ako kahapon ng beans at saka talong. Ayan. You okay? There, kalabasa, oh. Meron pang ibang talong dyan. Pwede na ma-harvest yan. Kaso, yan ang ulam namin kahapon. Ayan yung may beans pa doon, oh. Ayan. Maraming beans pa dyan. Ito lang harvestin natin for now. Yeah, you go ask daddy to help us with the harvesting the pumpkin, baby. Ayan, meron pa dito. Naging bundok na dito banda. Ayan. Dito. Dito meron din. Yan yung ating, ano tawag dyan? Maliliit pa sila. Ano yata, inaabot to ng 4 months. Itong, ano bang tawag dito? Yan, Brussels sprout. Yan, ano ba dyan? Namumuha na yung ating talong na puti. Ivory eggplant.